Hey everybody, this is Expat of the Expat Files. I thought I'd take you to one of my local game centers today, the Sega Game Center, and just some other little here and abouts in my home area. So let's go take a look. So here's the local Sega Amusement Center. A lot of the Segas are still in operation. A few of them have been closing up in Tokyo, but this one in my home city is still open. So I'm going to take you inside and give you a little tour of the place. So it's small compared to some of the other ones. But anyway, let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. Sega! So anyway, that was a look at my local Sega Game Center. So I've been your host, Expat, for the Expat Files, and I will see you in the next one. So take care, everyone. Peace out.